Hi guys, today we have a piece of paper and just here we are going to
Make an aeroplane!
yes, we're going to make an aeroplane paper. Okay. First,
I'll finish first.
okay, first we need a piece of paper and we need to fold this paper into like this. Okay. Wait. No. Okay. Make a piece of papers like this.
Okay, I already do this.
Okay. Then take the piece from here to here. Like this.
Okay, that's good, everyone. That's good.
Okay, now we do have to complete with another side of the papers and get it folded like this. Okay, now we are done with this and it became like this. So what we're going to do now is to fold this over like this. Fold it over like this. Okay, like this. Then to finish with this, we need to fold it from here to here. Wait. Okay, from here, from this side to this side. Okay, and then you can see that this is the line of the folded paper, and we need to fold it on the line. Okay. Do the other side also the same. Okay. Now we are complete with these shapes, and then what we need to do is to fold it this flip from here to here and fold it like this.
After this, you want to make some decoration.
Okay, it becomes like this. Then flip here and fold it into like this.
I am almost what you want.
Okay. Okay,
Ma,
it became like
look
this.
at me. I am almost what you want.
Oh. Okay, and then fold this piece of paper into like this. Okay, one like this, and then we have to do some other wings on the other side, like this.
Like this and like this.
Okay, and then it's finished. Okay, let's see how this.
Hey, we forgot to. Let's make some
going to
decoration.
work. Okay. Now we finish with this, we can do some decorations on it.
Just make some decorations with me.
See how this aeroplane's gonna get fly. Woo! It's so nice. Wait. Wow! This aeroplane is so nice. This aeroplane loved by Sarah. Let's see how this aeroplane's gonna get fly. Flying up. Ready?